Ever found yourself staring at your business and personal finances, wondering if there's a way to bring some order to the chaos without drowning in complicated software? Maybe you're already a fan of YNAB for your household budget and a thought popped into your head, could I use YNAB for my small business too? That's a fantastic question, and one that many entrepreneurs ponder as they navigate the exciting, yet often financially unpredictable, waters of running their own show. You're probably drawn to YNAB's core principles, giving every dollar a job, embracing your true expenses, rolling with the punches, and aging your money. These concepts are powerful for personal finance, but how do they translate to the world of invoices, inventory, and operational costs? Let's unpack this. At its heart, YNAB is a budgeting software designed around the envelope method. You allocate every dollar you have to a specific category. For personal use, this might be groceries, rent, or entertainment. The beauty lies in its simplicity and the control it gives you over your money. Now, when we consider a small business, the financial landscape becomes a bit more complex. You have income coming in from sales, but also expenses like supplies, marketing, potential employee costs, and taxes. Can YNAB handle these intricacies? The short answer is, it depends. For very small, straightforward businesses, especially those in the early stages or side hustles with simple income and expense streams, YNAB can be adapted. You can create categories for your business income, various expense types, and even track things like sales tax collected. The focus on giving every dollar a job can be incredibly helpful in understanding where your business funds are going and ensuring you have enough set aside for upcoming obligations. Think of it this way, your income category receives payments from clients or sales. Then, you allocate those funds to different job categories like website maintenance, marketing budget, or cost of goods sold. By diligently categorizing and tracking, you can gain a clear picture of your business's cash flow. However, as your business grows and becomes more complex, YNAB's limitations might start to surface. It lacks features specifically designed for business accounting, such as invoicing, accounts receivable and payable management, detailed reporting beyond basic budget summaries, and integration with payroll systems. Reconciling business bank accounts with numerous transactions can also become cumbersome. Furthermore, separating your personal and business finances is generally considered best practice for legal, tax, and organizational reasons. While you could technically manage both within one YNAB budget, it can become confusing and make it harder to generate clear financial statements for your business. So, while YNAB offers a powerful framework for understanding and controlling cash flow, its suitability for your small business hinges on the size and complexity of your operations. If you're just starting out or have a very simple business model, it can be a useful tool to get a handle on your finances. However, as you scale, you'll likely need to explore accounting software specifically designed for businesses, offering features tailored to your evolving needs. These platforms often provide more robust reporting, invoicing capabilities, and integrations that can save you significant time and streamline your financial management. Ultimately, the decision rests on your specific circumstances. Experiment with YNAB if you're inclined, but be mindful of its limitations as your business grows. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.